Alright guys, we're going to take you out on a little ride on the Grom. I have a crazy little setup today that I'm using. I've never done one of these on a motorbike because I can't use the GoPro on a bike ride like this because the microphones would just be buffering and making all kinds of weird noises. I can't even see what you're seeing right now, so I'm going to hope and pray that this comes out good, because I have to synchronize the video and the audio in post. But anyways, let's go ahead and give this thing a go and see how the old Gromby rides. So I'm riding with the microphone helmet off. Actually, the windscreen is up. I don't know how the wind buffering is going to sound. It could sound bad, could sound good. I don't know. I'll find out more when I actually get back and edit the video. But in the meantime, let's go for a cruise around the block on the old Grom. This is with the windscreen closed. I hope the audio seems to be alright. This is probably the best helmet that I have for audio. Hopefully it sounds good for you guys. Yeah. I'll admit, man, I'll admit it, this little teeny bike is fun. And even though I'm sitting at around, I still got some weight to lose. I won't be satisfied till I get down to 180, and I'm a few pounds shy of that right now. But hey, I did lose 30 pounds just to get here. So if I could do that, I'm pretty sure I could keep it up and lose a few more to get to the needed weight that I feel comfortable with on this bike. Yeah, I know the stares that I get on this thing is pretty ridiculous. People are like, what in the hell is that right there? You gotta be kidding me, that can't be a real bike. Oh my god, man, it is. This exhaust that came on this bike has 3 settings on it. You could pull a silencer out and actually pull the little plug out of it to make it louder, but in my opinion, that louder doesn't make it any faster. And actually, I don't know if maybe it even feels like it loses some power. So I put it back in. No need. So how does that wind noise sound with the visor up? This is how it sounds with the visor up. Is my voice audio still good, or does it sound crappy? There. It's probably going to sound better, less wind noise for you. Doing about 51 right there. Pretty happy with that. Like I said, man, for just popping around the neighborhood, it's pretty fun, man. I mean, if you ain't got nobody to take with you and no cargo to carry, yeah, man, this little Grom is pretty fucking fun. Yes, sir. Alright, so quick little run around the neighborhood. On my initial maiden voyage with the new audio video setup, I'm gonna learn some lessons right here about what was good, what was not.